Welcome, human customer. According to my facial recognition software, you are the priority client dispatched by Bobby Torres. Initiating friendly mode. Thank you for stopping by. The Aurora Bank heist was, as the kids say, rad and dope. It is an honor to serve you. I can find you a weapon for anything you need. Just say the word, and you'll have enough firepower to literally blow this city up 3 times. I've counted. To show my appreciation, I have donated a weapon to your cause. Brooklyn is glad to have you back.
Getting along all right? Sent you some of that Bobby exclusive intel. Time to put you on to the real heavy hitters in the city.
Buy more. Machine Arsenal. Stick with him and your firepower's locked in. And he ain't the only one. This city's full of folks just like him. Name, the bigger your bag.
Hell of a scoop, right? You got the skills. Stop playing humble. Time to show them what you got. Chief, I got a little job with your name on it. And hey, gonna introduce you to someone who might come in handy later.
Thank you. You're so kind.
to the spot I sent you. Got a surprise.
Check out this setup, huh? Figured if we're gonna put on a show, we should do it right. Listen, the family's cargo ship just pulled in, packed to the brim with smuggled goods. My guy told me there are a few sweet cars in the stash. I thought of you immediately. Can't have my chief running around without wheels, right? I've scouted the whole dock. Security's a joke. Yet these clowns are high as kites. The old-timers in the family think holding turf means no one dares to touch them. Mirage City doesn't work like that anymore. Here, strength talks. Brains help too. Figured we'd slip inside and grab ourselves a nice souvenir.
You're late today, chump. Got too high last night?
Yeah, something like that.
Go find a nice hiding spot. Once they run after me, you can grab the car.
How's that, little shits? Some boss is mine! That's not him. Go get him!
All yours now, Chief. Go bag your new ride. I'll keep these turtle heads busy. Woohoo!
Crap, another rat. Must be with that psycho. Kill this dumbass! Laying it down.
Ah, right, you must be Bobby's mate. It's quite a barge you got here. Head to my marvellous mod bench and we'll revamp her proper. Bob's your uncle. You picked that up well fast. I'm chuffed. Swing by any time and we'll splash out your wheels, yeah?